Like, trying to fix up my car. Water pump. Guys, see, this one na water when they put for inside engine. Water. This one na water pump. Now my motor water pump be this one now. See, water pump. Now be this one now. It's just one day now. I be when I don't drive this motor now. I be 1 day, I be 2 days. You see, water when they put for inside engine. See, as it block. A block water pump result water pump non green turn. I want start motor. Water pump will not pump. The fan bed no roll because he hook. I turn the water pump, he non green turn. You understand? Say water pump now is spoil. True now it don't spoil because as I don't lose on the breaker now the thing don't break. See as block. You know, see as block B. See as it block. Water pump when they turn water for inside engine. Inside engine, when you start motor, water go dey hot. Water when they inside engine, that thing they hot, guys. But now it block. See the way it block. See the way water pump block joiner. Yeah, you see how? See how water pump they block with water when they put for inside engine. When engine they hot, they work. Guys, this country, you see how? This country, see who there water pump they do. Block. See how? Guys, see how block. Now see how? See now block. Now block, now you pass on the come. This one now water. For example, that year now Nigeria, if you lose water pump come on for motor, water go through away. See now I don't see water went through away. See here, you see now hot water. Now hot water now boy come. See block, now block they fall down. So hot water now block, now boy come take the met water when they put for engine. Water when they inside engine. This one I don't know how many days it go take met when I will take fix the new water pump when I want fix. Guys, not this one, not this one. Oh no, block, guys. My block, block, sir. See block water pump. I don't understand. So I see him move. So I see him. So I see him move. Not be my fault. But where we deal, the country where we are, there for the sub. There for the happen, guys. Yeah, guys. When I bring the new one, when I fix the new one, I will let you know. My people, I will let you know. This is my sacrifice. See you all later. Bye, guys.